When you see me, also looking like my last, yeah. Me no last, me just a looking at my thoughts, I know.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, what go on? I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. So the first thing I want to talk about and the first thing I want to highlight is Nation Boss drop his song entitled Humans. And people, this song definitely bad. The expectation was high for this song and Nation Boss totally delivered. For the people them not really remember still are the same artist this way. They do the little freestyle last week and it went viral. But we now pay attention to the freestyle right now. We are going to take a look at the music video and listen the song. Listen this, people.
Knock like some perfect, everybody have them flaws. Long before the COVID thing done up for them, I wear a mask, yeah. Watch them kill it as them try go round the bus, yeah.
We know say this song they done bad already based on the freestyle we get, but make we zoom in a little bit on the video. At the beginning of the video, Nation Boss can be seen with a container, and on that container is writing, "Do not open." Then a Rasta man come give him a shovel and say, "Yo, Bingy, see the shovel here we are requesting now. What Nation Boss are going to do with the shovel? What Nation Boss are going to do with the container?" A matter of fact, what is in the container? Later on in the video, we realize that Nation Boss cut out him art, put in the container and bury it. Meaning, nobody can get him art for use again. Him lock it up. No human can never get him art for use again. Bad song. RD Studios, bad video.
Boy, anytime your heart too big, my lad, then we take you for a fool. And this is why me not like humans. This is why me not like humans. No.
Yeah. Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, dancehall artist Iwaata took it to Instagram to share a photo of his newborn baby. Now people, the photograph reached over pink wall and under the comment section the people must say no way that is Iwaata baby. Because the baby light, and people we not talk about this kind of light where you get when you apply bleaching cream. The baby naturally light. So Pink Wall took that photograph and a photograph of Iwaata and his baby mother and put them side by side. Now according to the comment section, everybody in the comment section I say that a jacket.
Them gal ya wicked, them wicked. Them gal ya wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but I know say them gal ya wicked, Shani B.
Now people, we know say Iwaata kinda light and Iwaata baby mother kinda light as well. But we are speculate say a bleaching cream kinda make them lighter. Now this baby just naturally light. So that's why people draw the conclusion say it look like a jacket. People, me not go draw no conclusion. Put it in the comment section and let me know what you think about that. Alright, we're moving on. Usain Bolt Foundation donates a laptop to Jamaican school. People, this is a very good thing. And I don't want to highlight mix up. We want to highlight good things over here. So Usain Bolt uploaded this photograph with the caption, "The best thing about my life is being able to give back. Happy to announce a donation of 150 laptops to school in rural Jamaica." And it said that the 150 laptop is valued at $40,000 US. That's approximately 5.8 million Jamaican dollar. So big up yourself, Usain Bolt. That's a good thing. I wish every rich person in Jamaica could have do what you do. You see me? The kids them would have alright now. Anyway, put it in the comment section and let me know what you think about this one. Alright, we're moving on. So people, in an Instagram post that QUADA well bad made, and that is Popcaan artist QUADA, he shared with us a man who claimed that he's a ghostwriter for Popcaan. Claim say I write a whole heap of Popcaan song, including the bad song we name We Pray, and we only trust the bank and God. Jano Star. People, take a look at what this man have to say.
Fan for Popcaan them.
Want him see a who that come live out here, we say fan.
Yeah, just make him know say Point Blank I made the music.
Celebration.
Celebration.
Okay.
Make him know say I made we pray for Popcaan. And I made only trust the bank and God. And my song. Make him know say I want.
Him can see, that's a video you say him can see a who. You see me? Not see a word from so far.
Alright.
QUADA uploaded that video with the caption BBC at Popcaan at J Island Music. Which song him right? Oh, is this? No, Popcaan quickly replied to that post. BBC, at the moon in my work offer at QUADA well bad. A full moon yet? Then QUADA replied to that and say in favor idiot. Anyway, still, I'm glad say people can see it as a little joke because everyone in the comment section a laugh, is it? So it's not really serious. But I want to know, Popcaan, you pay the money yet for them big song there? Let's move on. Even though we still not go too far still, because Popcaan sent condolences to Movado on the passing of his mom. Dancehall artist Popcaan was able to bury the long-standing beef with Movado and reach out to him to offer condolences on the passing of his mom. Popcaan made an Instagram story and he wrote, "Keep your meds firm up same way, singer. Keep fighting the fight. Condolences to you and your family. Tough time for everybody. Stand up and really wish bad on no one." People, this move show a lot of maturity. It's a good look for dancehall, and I'm glad say people can reach out to Movado in tough time like these. And when I say people, I mean artists or public figure when not necessarily deal with Movado. Them and them not really good. Since the passing of Movado mother, we can see scores of dancehall industry people sending their condolences to Movado. People include Footer Hype and Bounty Killer. Whenever really deal with Movado, they send their condolences. So it a show maturity, we a show growth, and we a show say even though sometimes we not good and sometimes we not really deal, in times of need we can really show certain support. You understand? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. And people, each and every Wednesday night I will be on the Entertainment Club, which is aired on Hype TV and Styles FM. It's also streamed on Androval Facebook Live. Alright people, so remember, each and every Wednesday at 9 o'clock, that's 9 o'clock when? Time then kind of change now. 9 o'clock Jamaica time. Check me out over there, alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way, and any other way, a the wrong way. My gone.